NHM, it's a great place to bring a school party to visit. We've got over 25 facilitated and self-guided, curriculum-rich experiences on offer at the Natural History Museum, and we're working with teachers to create those programmes for students so that they can get the best out of a visit and really inspire them, looking at the real-world application of the science that they're learning in school. And the museum's an enormous place with a massive collection of objects and exhibitions for the students to explore, so it can really bring science to life. Things that they don't get to see in the classroom, and after a visit to the Natural History Museum we hopefully provide those memorable experiences for them to draw upon throughout their school learning career.
But before I came to the museum, I wasn't really interested in science that much, but once I came to the museum it's really interesting.
I think the students were surprised about the sheer variety of different things that are involved in science. There were people who were studying science at university, there were people who were in the lab, there were people who were on the museum kind of curating side, and that was really, really interesting for them. Absolutely think it increased their excitement. When we were in the lecture theatre, they were all hands up, they just couldn't wait to get their hands on something, they all wanted to volunteer, and they were all really excited to show off all the stuff that they knew, and I'm sure they're going to be really, really excited to show all their science teachers the new stuff that they've learned about.